statements in the op-ed were both false and defamatory.
No one believes Amber Heard's testimonies. A lot of people are asking if Amber's testimonies are even credible because it feels like all her lines are rehearsed, looking like they came straight out of a movie. Defense attorney Sara Azari says that there's something a little inauthentic.
Stories. In this case, it seems to be, or at least
a little rehearsed about her testimony. And she's right, Amber is trying too hard to convince the jury to believe her side of the story. It looks like she is doing most of the work in this case because her lawyers aren't doing a good job in defending her.
And while you were there on March 8th, correct?
Dr. Kipper told me he'd sustained an injury on one of his fingers.
Objection, hearsay.
They even objected to their own question, but she is making it so dramatic that it seems fake already. Her explanations are too graphic for someone who claims they have post-traumatic stress disorder. She exaggerated what she claims to be the first time Johnny allegedly hit her.
Threw glass at me, and I remember it was summer, and he just threw this glass across the kitchen, and it didn't hit me, but
He threw glass, but it didn't hit me. I just remember how easily it could have hit me. According to some viewers, some of the things Amber said while testifying were gotten from movies. When she announced that Johnny slapped her and said he'd rather cut off his hand. That came from the film Mildred Pierce. This isn't the only film she used. Netizens have compiled a list of all the films she copied in her testimony. Amber also showed us pictures or evidence, if it even is one, that seems to be staged. At one point of the trial, she was sobbing, claiming that Johnny Depp sexually abused her with a bottle. She claims that the bottle was broken, but in the pictures, they were still whole. Plus, it's common sense that if it really happened, she would have gone to the hospital. I've never been so scared in my life. I couldn't see him anymore. It was black. I couldn't see him, she said. She also claims that she remembers seeing all the broken glass. But this was never shown in court. Johnny just looked shocked with all the lies his ex-wife has been making up. Then, when Johnny's team objected to other pieces of evidence, Amber didn't know what to say because it wasn't part of her rehearsal. She claimed that it was...
But can you tell the jury about your communications with Mr. Depp?
okay. It's kind of confusing because he was texting through them.
Objection, Your Honor.
I'll sustain the objection.
Confusing being asked like that. She clearly had this all planned out. The cherry on top of all this was when day 15 of the trial ended. Amber clearly saw Johnny going her direction, but she pretends to be shocked and scared that he's coming towards her. Everyone just subtly laughed. Even the guards, because her acting was so fake. You can't tell what's real in this trial anymore. It's beginning to be a clown show. See you in the next videos for more updates about the case. Thanks for watching.